Alright, how are you guys? And welcome to a brand new video. I forget what day of crypto this is. I'm sorry if I've been gone for a little bit, but I've been learning a couple of things and I've been really invested in my day job too. So I've been doing pretty good recently, thank God. I recently did get sick. I think I brought it up in my other video. And so I caught the not the flu, but I caught a little cold again. So I've been down a little bit, but we've been learning a lot. Everything's been going pretty good. I've been changing my schedule a lot at work, so I've been able to focus a little bit more on crypto, and I've been able to focus a lot more on studying. Thank God I'm making this video today. I do think this video will be coming out. It's late tonight, but this video will be coming out probably in the morning. We'll see. If I can make another video right after this, then most likely. But I really hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully everything's going great for you guys. What I've been changing recently, there's been a couple things I have been changing in my routine a lot. Thank God I've been able to study a lot more. These past couple of days I've been able to relax and just focus a lot more in my studying. Even if I don't focus on crypto, I've been able to just focus on just different topics that really interest me. So I've been really happy about that. Even if I half-has them, most of the projects I really focus on, I find them really interesting. So even if I half-has them, I really like them. So thank God, even including today right now, right before I go to bed, I'm able to just make a little quick video for you guys. So what's it called? This is more of a little bit update of what I've been doing and how things have been moving recently. If my camera's a little messed up, it's probably because I've been streaming a lot. So, I'm sorry if things look a little weird. I am trying to fix that, so let's see how it goes. I think it's because I've been using this camera to stream. I think it's been messing with it, and I stream for like if you guys go on my Twitch, I will promote it on my description. But if you guys go to my Twitch, I do stream for like almost like an hour to close to 2 hours. I try to go for an hour and a half. Today I streamed for like an hour and 15 minutes. I felt pretty good. But I don't want to change the topic. We're on crypto. But yeah, that explains why my camera's been a little messed up. So if it looks a little weird, that's why. I promise I will be upgrading cameras soon. But when it comes to the crypto market, we've been really weird. A lot of people are a lot of people are wishing for bullish momentum, and long term we are pretty bullish right now. But when it comes to the short term, no, when it comes to the short term, we're pretty bullish. But when it comes to the long term, I still consider us bearish. A lot of people would be mad at me, but I don't think we've seen the bottom yet. I think our bottom sits around 55 to 45. Anywhere around there is a good buying place because I would be happy. I would pull out a loan and buy right there in that position. If we go lower, I would buy even more. I think I don't think this would be a quick bear market. Again, a lot of people are pushing for this to be a quick bear market. So if you want to buy, you're able to take a little bit of some damage to your portfolio. Hey, by all means, buy. But I don't think this is a good place for me to buy. I probably would buy some altcoins, but I don't think I would buy right now anything when it comes to BTC or even Ethereum. A lot of people are loving what Ethereum is doing, but when it comes to the long term, I still consider Ethereum pretty bearish, XRP pretty bearish. Solana is holding a pretty good support around the 91,000, so hopefully we can keep it up there. Same thing for different things, like I think Cardano is doing somewhat pretty okay, but when it comes to long term, if you guys look around the 6 month mark, what's it called, candle mark, you'll see that it's just not looking nice. So come on, we got to be realistic here, boys. I haven't bought in on a trade right now. I've recently been learning on how liquidity works. A homie of mine's been really helping me a lot, and I really appreciate him. Daniel, if you're watching this video, thank you so fucking much. It's been really helping me a lot. I've been trying to learn different strategies, learn how like divergence works, how things go up and down, and why. So it's really cool. I feel like even if I'm half-assing it, I'm able to recollect a lot, and I'm able to just hone in on a lot. There's not a lot of projects I'm really focusing on right now. I've been focusing a lot on Beam, XRP, Solana, and BTC, just because whatever BTC does, everything else goes. I don't hold BTC. I haven't bought any BTC, and I don't plan on buying any right now until, like I said, until we get to around like the 55,000 mark to 45,000 mark. But what can I say? I think we'll I don't plan on buying anything right now. I've been able to actually invest in different other projects that are outside of crypto and outside of them, like asset classes. So I'm really happy with that, and it's been going pretty good. I'm already seeing some money flow back, but I am saving that money flow as gunpowder just so when the market drops, I can come in. I feel like a lot of us are expecting a big crash. I don't know how this crash would look. We've seen two crashes already that are pretty bad, so we'll see how it goes. A lot of people are fear mongering that this would be the end, that we'll see famine in the West and things like that. So who knows? I don't think so. I think we have a lot of food here. The amount of food we waste is horrible. I feel like people are willing to take a loss to help out the other people. I think it will happen. Um, what's next? I'm trying to think. What's There's nothing else I've been really focusing on when it comes to crypto. I've been trying to focus on other classes. I've been buying a lot of utility stocks. I've been buying a lot of. I know it's the height right now, and a lot of people are expecting a downfall. Even if it goes down, the amount of money I put in isn't really that significant. So it doesn't matter if we go. I'm willing to take a little bit of a hit for right now. But again, because of my different investments, I've been really trying to hold a lot of money as gunpowder to see how it goes. I think investing in gold and silver right now is really awesome. If you can buy bronze, if you can and you can like hold oil, I think those four tiers would be amazing. A lot of people are going to start talking about platinum soon. So if you can hold platinum, I think that would be awesome. So really try to diversify your portfolio. I haven't bought anything recently, but I'm still really happy because I have my complete portfolio from last year. So anything I bought last year, I have not sold at all, and I didn't buy last year. I bought it towards the beginning of 2025, but those were my last buys. Most of this portfolio is from 2024. I've sold a little bit because I knew the drop was going to happen around October, November, and when it started to go down, I immediately knew to get out. So I pulled a little bit of money to halfway my investments. So I've been really happy with that. So as of right now, because of the market, I've not bought. But again, I have dry powder just waiting for it. I think you can see my dog passed out. So when it comes to that, I really hope you guys are being thoughtful with your investments. A lot of people are pushing around right now the narrative that we're gonna continue going up, that this is it, and things like that. So I feel like every year we yell out that this is it. I remember being scared of last year of a depression because everyone was fear mongering. So who knows? I really want everyone to be thoughtful and realize that last year when the tariffs hit, everyone was caught with their hands in their pants. So and everyone was scared. Everyone thought like, oh, like we're gonna continue going down. And now looking back, if we would have bought back then, we would be so happy right now. So I'm a little mad that I didn't buy. We were left behind, but guess what? I'm not trying to be left behind this year, and I'm getting sort of a feeling that this is kind of that moment that we had last year. So if everything continues to go the way it is, I might buy in right now just to hold, just to make sure. One of my big thesis for me this year was that if we were above 70,000 when we hit April, then I would buy. And I haven't bought, but we were way above 70,000 when April came around. So I don't know. Things are weird. Who knows? A lot of people that I listen to it's like half and half. Some are calling for the bear market, some are calling for the bullish momentum. Right now, all you can really do is trust your gut, and just make sure to please be in the market. Don't be fearful. Buy a couple of things. I'm not trying to tell you to be my exit liquidity, but I'm just trying to say that if you're not going to buy it, at least look into the market. Even if you're not going to buy crypto, look into a different types of stocks, look into different types of metals that you might like. If you want to buy land, that would right now is I don't know if that's a good time. I'm not an expert in this. I'm not going to try to get into it, but I'm just trying to say that you need to diversify your money. If you're sticking just with one source of income, it's probably not good. It's kind of my situation right now. I'm trying to be self-aware of what I'm doing, so I'm really trying to hone in on my trading to see if I can get somewhat of money back. I will be uploading the moment I do a trade, but as of right now, I don't think it's time to do trades. When it comes to chain leak, I do see somewhat of a little pop off. If we can hold right now above 1022 for support, then I do think we might see a little bit below $12. So if you can go in with some leverage on a long, you might make some good money. I might take that trade only if we stay above 1022. So we'll see how things go. I really hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to give you guys a really good update on what's going on. I really hope you guys relax and enjoy yourselves today. And remember to try to learn about the market. I feel like that's the best thing. I feel like I've been able to learn a lot about just myself and economy just because of it. So I really hope you're having a great day. Stay up and please learn as much as you can. Have a great day.